Oh, we're not doing mirrors, are we?
I'm punching man up.
I'm not taking that.
Boom, 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 boom.
I'll be one moment.
Anything goes, you know this year just gonna blow like I won't have it, you won't manage, so I'm real, I'm silent like magic.
Imagine people, Anything Goes there back again with another ghost reaction. If you're new to the channel, with her, make sure you're liking, sharing and subscribing as always. So make sure you're sharing. You can even support us even further by clicking the join button below. First of all, happy birthday to you. That's enough of that. Today we got...
That was a while ago now. This is just our first recording since then.
Yeah, you know.
That's why my voice is...
Still... Is it still where you left it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to hear you scream today. Today we got 5 scary ghost videos that are spooky and scary. What a lovely
they never
title.
are. They're never spooky or scary, so I'm glad we got 5 today that will be.
There's going to be at least one.
I was going to say,
sounding.
I'm annoyed that Nuke hasn't uploaded, but he started to do what these lot do anyway, so it's literally just like Pampers.
Yeah.
Pampers
ain't
and
no,
Huggies.
there's no corners to hide anymore.
5 scary ghost videos that are Pampers and Huggies.
Are you excited?
Oh, yeah, so excited.
In today's episode of 5 Scary Things,
Safety hood.
Number 1. Our first video comes from the YouTube channel Mindset TV. This time Casey, Tanner and Colton went to an abandoned house deep in the woods that it's said to be a haunted place. When they arrived at the scene and began their investigation, something bizarre happened.
Oh, the stairs are broken. Careful, we're gonna have to climb. Oh, okay, here's another way. There's another door over there. Yeah. Try that. Try that, yeah. Alright, let's do that. Hello, hello. Anybody's here? What? Sorry?
This doesn't even look haunted.
No.
Or abandoned.
No,
I
someone
told you it wasn't abandoned.
That's a really heavy ghost.
This is the point where I go, oh, yeah, it's haunted. Time to go.
Complete tick.
Yeah. I came to find out if it was haunted. I found out. Sometimes.
Footsteps, but that was only the beginning.
Downstairs?
He said that's how you would say it. Downstairs. For what?
Anybody's here? Please don't shoot me. I'm just recording some video. Oh no.
Star Satan.
This is weird.
Star Satan?
Star Satan is...
There's a giant rusty fridge over
I
here.
didn't see that. I was looking at you. I'm guessing that would mean like pentagram or something. They obviously didn't see whatever the arrow pointed to either.
Nope.
And bruh. I was gonna say, is it gonna be something rotten inside of it?
They cut out. that door.
Mm.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's like a tiny eye or something.
I can't see.
It's just like a light.
Oh. Uh-oh.
This is weird now.
They're shaking the fucking torch.
There's a giant
Oh,
rusty
there is
fridge
eyes
over here
there.
on the floor, turned
Is it
over on
two?
the side.
Yeah.
Oh, because that's what the...
What?
I didn't realise that's the room where the fridge was.
Yeah, but it's like...
Yeah, that's not a human reaction.
To what?
Light.
Oh, you mean human eyes?
Yes.
Depends if you've got pretty blue ones like me. Mine do that in the dark.
No. It's Batman. Like they should be more far apart than that from the distance alone.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
It looks further the further you are.
I
look.
think it might be the amber and the angle on the camera, also known as the amber.
This would be upwards of 8 to 10 foot tall, much taller than any of us.
They found a refrigerator in one of the rooms, but the mysterious eyes should focus our attention, which apparently followed them.
Oh, something's up there.
Oh,
Something just moved. I saw an eye. That's it?
yeah.
Yeah, they're looking right at us. They're literally like 50. Oh, shit.
Now they're moving mad.
Outside in the woods is less weird, especially at the height they're at now.
Oh yeah, because it looks like it's on the ground.
It could be like an animal or something now. The last ones where they're like...
In the air.
Oh, there's a couple as well. Look.
Oh, no, it is a deer. Okay, I see the side profile. Is this the entrance?
But the fact that they're
They
now
see the
seeing
same eyes again.
deer eyes
This time
makes the
several
last
at
set
once.
weirder
But
because
that
a deer
is
would
not
be...
the end.
That high.
Yeah.
What if you're standing up?
I don't think deer stand up.
Yeah.
And why would a deer want a fridge full of meat?
Hungry?
They eat
What is that?
Meat.
vegetables?
Meat.
No.
Yeah. They eat cheetahs.
So dumb.
Stop.
Did they though?
It's getting lower. Hear that? Shh. Shh. What is that?
When we initially heard the sound down there, it sounded almost like a wind, like a breeze coming through, but then it started to sound like whispers.
What is that? Sounds like someone
Why does it look like they're in a fucking cave?
Because they are.
We were trying to talk ourselves into it being gusts of wind, but wind does not have syllables. Shh.
Oh, wind expert.
Shh.
What is that? Sounds like someone whispering. Wait. Shh.
It sounds like the sound of a kid's toy travelling through a cave, if you ask me.
It's still like not weird enough for it not to be an animal, because some animals make some weird noises. Foxes as well. Foxes make...
What, when they're screaming?
Yeah.
When cats are hunting, they make a very weird call.
Of course they do.
No, it's proper weird.
Like that. Moo. Quack.
Wait.
Quack.
Side duck. Side.
Okay, that sounds more like a voice.
Entering the cave, they began to hear something inexplicable. Mysterious noises coming deep from the cave. Did the whole crew manage to record something mysterious and paranormal? Or is it just a well-prepared mystification? You are the judges. You decide. Also, if you want to watch the full episode,
we've seen them before,
visit their YouTube channel.
Yeah, well, we've seen...
Number 2.
We've seen them.
That was a short one.
Oh no, that took up most of the video. That just means that the next ones are just going to be...
Good for you.
So good. Really can't wait. Yeah, we've seen them like fake a video before though as well, so...
Which one was it? The gel one?
No, there's one where... We've seen a few of their videos, but there's one where...
Were they the ones in... No, they weren't the ones in jail, were they? And the door just closed and it seemed like it was locked and he couldn't get out and he started panicking.
I don't think so.
Do you remember which one I'm talking about?
We've seen a couple of theirs, but there's like one where they go up to an attic and one of them gets like dragged away.
Is he alive?
He like falls over and then just gets dragged backwards off camera. Yeah, he's alive. He was there.
Oh yeah. That's an old video.
And the fridge is like... Like before they opened it, I was about to say, oh, it's gonna have something rotten in it, because that's a very like
normal thing. I mean, I don't know, like a lot of like how we're gonna see it or view it is based on what an abandoned house with a fridge would be like in England, let alone in America.
Yeah,
you've seen enough crazy films and all of that shit to know that could be a nice place to hide meat. But anytime you see humans react to
hide meat.
Yeah, to hide meat.
In case someone wants to steal your meat. You put it in an abandoned house's fridge.
Yeah, that's not plugged in.
That's on the side.
Yeah, that's not plugged in.
Yeah. That's where I'd hide my meat. You know, if someone wanted to get a piece of my meat, how would I hide it? Why are you laughing? I'm talking about my meat. And if someone wanted some.
Powers. Anyway, yeah, so it's a bit... It's more so like just the smelling of decaying meat that you can't fake.
I think you'd smell that before you open the fridge though.
No.
Like even a little...
No, if it's airtight. If the air seal is a good fridge and it's airtight, it's what the whole fucking point is. You know?
I guess so.
And then you bust that and everyone comes out from the smell. Yeah. I wonder what that meat was too.
I don't think my meat would smell like that.
Next videos from the Moroccan Adventurer channel, who went
I
on
haven't been to
a
Morocco
lonely
before.
exploration of a deserted place in search of a djinn.
Oh, we're not doing mirrors, are we?
Look how small that mirror is. Can that be classed as a mirror?
Just forcing it.
Oh my god.
No, I'm sorry.
Did you see that?
No, I think I did, but I don't want to. I had my eyes closed and I think I opened it as something
Was this
was in
peeking?
it. Or is he doing Michael Jackson spins?
Do not look under there.
First he goes to the mirror and hears a loud bang next to him.
Calling it a mirror.
What he managed to record.
Okay, there wasn't something in the mirror. I thought it might have been his shoulder or something.
يثبت حضورك؟
No.
تشكلية في المراية.
No. Why do you have to show in the mirror? Can't you just confirm your presence by like saying like I'm here?
Look how close man is. Allow it.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات من شر ما خلق.
That was like here. Whispering in his ear. Do you know where they hide the meat?
That's my new nightmare.
What?
One of those things in my ear whispering. Do you know where they hide the meat?
That is gonna be my thing now. That's all ghosts want. That's why they're here.
What?
Trying to find
Fridge
where the
meat.
meat is. Yeah. Fridge meat. Yeah. Just.
That's what you turn into every time you see a ghost. Fridge meat.
يا لا تشكلية ما تخافش. يثبت حضورك؟
Is he coming back?
He's brave.
I'm hearing noises, but no.
Yeah, I didn't really see anything.
I'll see the face the last time you went in it.
I wonder if they don't have feet and they just hang onto your shoulders. So every time you turn around, you never see it.
I've got a bad feeling.
Huh?
I've got a bad feeling.
تشكلية.
This video is going on too long for it to just be appearing in the mirror like that.
Yeah, but the corner of the mirror that he keeps trying to show is mad. It's like it's
Because the mirror is this big.
I know, but on top of that, it's always on his right shoulder.
He manages to record someone appearing behind him several times, but every time he turns around, no one is there.
He's proper
Whether
whispering in
it's
his
a
ear
real
as well.
jinn, or maybe it's just a hoax. The final decision is yours. Number 3.
If I don't have any fridge meat, can you get in the fridge for me? Thanks. Can that even be classed as a mirror?
No, that was like a monocle.
That was a badge. A monocle.
Can we play these videos because we're making too much comedy out of it and it's gonna come back and bite me in the ass. For a fact, I know that for a fact. There's
What?
3 left. We're talking too much about fridge meat, and the fucking video is gonna say, "Yeah, watch this. I'll show you fridge meat."
I'm telling you, that's what you turn into when you actually see something you're afraid of. You literally just turn into fridge meat.
Other videos from Reddit user JParanormal Official. This is a recording
Oh, this
from
one's gonna be fucked because it's
CCTV
from Reddit.
camera from Japan, where we can see something disturbing.
Oh. It's just a normal meat suit.
Is this the fridge meat shop?
Did you hear what I said?
Why did I do it? I shouldn't have said it.
Did you hear what I said?
Oh, I don't think they opened or closed that door. And there was the woman standing at the back.
At one point in the elevator,
Why
we
should
see a mysterious and frightening figure of a woman with dark hair and a red dress.
Oh, that's a lift.
A real
I thought it was like a.
recorded
There is another
camera.
door though, no? Because it seems like it
Maybe
shuts this
The
way rather than.
explanation is much simpler. Choose wisely, folks.
Why is that thing so
Number 4.
so big?
Oh, that's why I thought the door opened. But so when the first woman walked out, it looked like she opened the door and walked like sideways
It's
rather
just,
than in
it's
the lift.
potato, man. It's just potatoes and meat.
This from YouTube channel Hunting the Dead. This time Jody decided to test a new application
Oh, was this the
that
salesman
searches
at the
for
starting clip?
paranormal hotspots. But what they found was much more dangerous.
The weather's crazy over here, man. Look at that.
In the
Starting
starting clip, this just looked like someone with a briefcase.
Hey, where's the pinpoint at? Where's the pinpoint?
It says straight.
Straight?
No, what are they doing?
Straight
Around
right
the
there?
renewal car, I wasn't listening.
I don't see Huh? Okay.
If he is doing random renewal car,
starting to get
and
bloated.
she let him go on his own,
She's a bitch.
that's harsh.
She's a punk pussy bitch.
Yeah, right
Yes.
there. What the hell is that? Piece of trash. Oh, shit. Dude, what the hell are you doing, man? Yo,
He's frozen.
dude. What do you mean you got something for me? Who the
Why is
fuck
his
are
face
you?
like that?
What? I'm not taking that
I'm punching man up.
I'm not taking that.
Boom, 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 boom!
Dude, do you know who I am? I'm not who you're looking for. You must be waiting for somebody else, bro.
Why does he look like that?
Are you wearing a black mask? Bro, why are you wearing that black mask? That. Fuck that. That. Fuck that. Hell no, I ain't taking shit. Dude.
Suddenly Jody meets a masked
This
man
brother looks like he was
with a
frozen in time.
briefcase, which he throws away.
Well, didn't you feel like,
after
why
a
the fuck
while
does his face look
and
like that?
orders him to take it, whether it was
There's
just
more
a
going on.
coincidence or someone dangerous.
What are you doing in that
Let me know
situation?
in the comments below.
Take it.
Number
I got
5,
fridge meat for you.
The last recording.
Just take it. Take it and hide it. What else could it have been?
What other than fridge meat?
Yeah,
That briefcase wasn't big enough for fridge meat.
depends what kind of fridge meat. I honestly, I don't know what to say about that one. Would you take it?
Let me and you go anywhere and someone dressed like that is throwing shit at me.
Yeah, but a briefcase. That's. But that's like the sort of briefcase in films. Where
You see how the next word you said was that's and mine was that's.
Yeah.
Cool. That's it.
That's one of the ones in the films where they unclip it and they open it, and there's bare peas, and they push it forward. As shook as I'd be, I think I'd take it. Just in case.
Listen, I'll turn around. Your car will be blowing dust.
No, like, if it was me and you and he threw that at us and said, take it, I'd tell him, like, okay, I'll take it, but actually, you don't know if it's a bomb or something.
Brother, I'm not touching that until he's out. He needs to be unconscious before I even think
But
about
then you
touching
gotta
it.
try and open it with a stick far away.
Why would I need... No, fuck that. I'll do
Because
it.
if you open it and it's like a nail bomb or something.
Then I've got some more scars.
But what if it's money?
Then I've got...
Oh, sexy bitches.
Is from TikTok user Sally.
That's exactly what I imagined as well. Just someone doing like a weird belly dance or something.
Stupid anime one.
Big official on which we
You're an
will
idiot.
see something interesting.
Why is the machine fucking itself? Oh, this part's litty. They're having a rave.
In the video,
There's bare wires. Look.
And the exercise equipment.
They're not allowed to be doing gym.
Why not? Did you realise that's what it was?
I knew what it was, but then it just hit me. What are they training for?
The
Stupid answers only. Go.
Paralympics, but paranormal, not paralegic.
I'll be one moment.
No? That makes sense, no? The paranormal Olympics. I don't know why they'd be on the swings.
By themselves. So, real or fake? Decide, folks.
Wow.
What is that?
For the... Yeah, I don't want to see that from now. For the 3X, that was
Come on.
a very easy one to get through.
The scariest thing was fridge meat.
I think I got very lucky choosing that one because that wasn't even his latest one. I just picked a random one.
Yeah, but that's not too far ago, is it?
No. But I was just...
Yeah, I know. And now we have a new running joke. Would you like to share?
No.
Your fridge meat.
Well, you want some of my meat? I don't think we should ask each other about it.
It's too late. It's caught on camera. If you like the video, make sure you're sharing and subscribing if you haven't already. Here are some of the comments. What would you do if a random dude in a weird ass mask approaches you in the middle of a forest and chucks a briefcase at you and says, take it?
Yeah, well, let us know in the comments if you'd take it or leave it.
I mean, if we're together,
I think I'm on the take it side. But
we're gonna take it.
I'd have to think of a way to open it.
But I believe if someone just throws a briefcase at you that's dressed like that, they need to be unconscious before you open it. Just
I'd have to find a way to open it like far away from myself.
safety precautions. We could just use wires like most of these videos.
Now hopefully some weirdo chucks some briefcases at us then.
Won't happen. It's too easy. Just get nicked. Yeah, you could even support us even further by clicking the join button below. Catch you guys soon.
No, I got a flow. When I react, the man's got cold. When I react, the man's got go. You little bitch, stick it in your reacts. It was a big react, so man's got no. Anything goes, you know this year just gonna blow like I won't have it, you won't manage. So unreal, I'm something like magic. Part with a man that also savage.